And everybody, we're at the racetrack. We're gonna see what the crank and wagon will do. Not running slicks, just street tires. Just want to get a baseline before on this engine before I upgrade to the next one. So I know I won't run a good time, but we're looking at mile an hour. And so, yeah. Thanks for joining me. Please like, share, and subscribe, and all that stuff. And enjoy the videos. So the DA is pretty bad, and I don't know, I guess the car is hurt or something, because right now the best run so far is 14.1 at 108 miles an hour, which is pretty crap. So far the DA right now is 37.85, and yeah, 60 foot's 259, which is pretty bad. Hey guys, just wanted to finish off that video. So I went to the drag strip and things didn't go as planned. I was gonna be running street tires, so I already knew that the times weren't gonna be good. But I just wanted to see mile an hour and see how the car was gonna do down the track with this bigger turbo on standalone compared to like 10 years ago when I had it on a chip tune with a small little turbo, which is now on this guy. So I was flustered and frustrated because, and it was on my own fault because I didn't plan ahead. So I should have had the car more ready to go and I had more time on my hands because it's about 2 hours to get to the track. And you know, I went on my own, so you know, unloading and all that stuff, everything takes a little bit longer. And then I had the issue where the standalone wouldn't connect to the computer for whatever reason. Well, I know the reason now, but at the time, you know, I was under pressure because the track was closing early, an hour early. Yeah, so I guess I'm not a computer guy, so I guess the computer port, USB port, has to be on a certain COM port or whatever, and I didn't realize that. There's 4 on the laptop that I use, and I felt like I tried all 4, but I guess I didn't. And then once I realized what was going on, you know, it was a 5-second fix, but I just I couldn't think straight at the track. So yeah, so didn't get to mess with, like, I wanted to try and see if I could do like a low RPM 2-step launch on street tires just to see if that would work, and I didn't get to raise the boost. I had spiked the fuel with Octanium. So on the boost gauge, there's another thing I found out after doing some logs. On the boost gauge, it would show 14 pounds of boost, but on the logs, it would actually show like 11.5 PSI. So that's what we ran it at, was 11.5 pounds. And I wanted to run like 20 pounds, which we didn't get to do. So I had like 30 liters or 25 liters of like 94 octane, and you know, we were going to and I had Octanium in there, so I figured there was enough safety for like 20 pounds of boost, which we never got to run, which was really, really annoying. The other thing is the engine is actually hurt, so I'm gonna make some more videos about it coming up, but there's a lot of crankcase ventilation blow-by that's coming out. It's having a hard time idling, so for sure there's a couple of, at least one or more broken ringlands. Like, it'll idle, but there's a stumble, so you can tell one cylinder's dead. My guess is it's that one. Only because when I blew up the first set of pistons, that wall had a little tiny mark in it, and it was like you couldn't really feel it with your nail, but I just sent it knowing that it was on, it was gonna get replaced anyway with the new engine, so I didn't, I just sent it, slapped it together. So that's what we expected. So I know that one cylinder was hurt a little bit. After that, I had some rage sessions on the street where I did run, you know, like 21 pounds or whatever with the Octanium, and the car was super fast, but then, you know, I heard it even more. So that's what happened. A little bit frustrated, but either way, it was fun to go to the track. So we do have some plans coming up. The engine's finally got to get going so that we can strip that one out. And I have a set of wheels that I will show later on. They're with my buddy Keith right now. They are a 15 by 8, but they're getting built into a 3-piece 17 by 8. So that'll be cool. Yeah, so that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and there's gonna be more videos on this guy coming up soon, as well as I'm gonna do some driving videos with the updates on this guy too. All right, take it easy.